My Lady Jane does not fit in a box. You can't say it's like any other thing because it's really not. It is genre bending, and I think there's something for every single person to like enjoy, and it's just really fun at the end of the day. We need some fun.
A lot of action,
Hermes suit and
a lot of sexy scenes,
top that is.
a lot of magic,
Gorgeous secret shoulders.
and a lot of
I know
wit
they're there.
and
I know they're out. And
comedic moments. So I think that's
You're
why I should
in on
watch
the
it.
secret.
And in nothing they ever seen before. This is something completely new. So
TV show that's a little bit unique and maybe sort of has essences of some of the really fun, old, tongue-in-cheek fantasy sort of historical romps that used to be around in like the 80s and 90s. I think it's like a return to that, and hopefully a triumphant one.
My Lady Jane is a show that everyone should watch this summer because it is very funny, very fun, very sexy, and just a good time.
It's going to make you feel good. It's going to make you laugh.
It's gonna make you love.
You might cry a little tiny bit. It is the show everybody needs right now.